Everyone, welcome back. Today we are starting grade 8 maths daily practice. So every day, please try. So today's topic is exponents. Questions coming now. First of all, please stop video and then try questions first. Get your exam pad and try first, please. And then you are going to see correct answer and all explanations coming. Okay, first of all, basic components, exponents rules. Simplify 2 power of 3 and then 2 power of 5. So if you multiply them, what's going to happen? Next one, 4 power of 2 divided by 4 power of 1, and then 3 power of 2 and 4. What we are going to do, how we are going to answer these questions, please try. I hope you have done, so we can start, we can answer together. So let's say 1.A, first one, 2 power of 3 times 2, 5. For this kind of question, you are writing only one number first because you have 2 and 2 equal, and you are adding components, 3 plus 5. And your answer is changed to 2 power of 8. All right, so just adding, this is our rule. If you have A and M times A and N, so you are adding powers, M plus N. All right, just like this, you are adding powers and getting answer. It is first one. Second one, so for 1.B, let's say, 4 power of 2 divided by 4 power of 1, and then 2 minus 1 we are doing now, and then you are getting 4 power of 1, and then power 1 always same number you are getting. Our rule is A M over A N. So if you have this kind of question, so M minus N. So we should remember some important rules. As you see, our numbers equal and just adding powers if you multiply them. If you divide them, what you are doing now, just minus, subtract from each other. So this one adding, this one subtract. And then for this kind of question, what we are going to do, let's say 1.C now. You just multiply these two. All right, powers. Our formula first we can write M, and then let's say N, you have A M times N. All right, using this one, so now I can write 2 times 4 and getting 3 power of 8. All right, so we are using this solution. Let's show full answer now. As you see, you add powers, 3 plus 5, and getting 2 power of 8. And then when you divide, subtract powers, and getting 4 power of 1, it is equal to 4. And next one, multiply powers. If you have this kind of question, you multiply them. That's it. Now, next question, product of powers. Okay, what are we doing now? Please stop video. Try first, write your answers on exam pad, and then we can check answer together. All right, let's give you a few seconds to stop video, and then we can start. So, for this kind of questions, what are we gonna do? So, we should remember only one rule for these all three questions. What's our rule? If you have A and M times A power of N, we should say, sorry, and so we are just writing first, same A, just writing 1, and adding powers. Okay, this is our rule. We should remember that. All right. If you remember that, question 2.A, let's try to get it. 2.A, how can we make it? Check 5 power of 3 times 5 power of 2. What I know, as you see, we have 5, just writing 1, and then adding powers. Done. 5 power of 5. That's it. And then next question, 2 point B. A power of 4 times 6 power 6, and writing A once, and then 4 plus 6, and A power of 10. That's it. As you see, one formula we are using for these questions. And next one to see what we have now. We have 2 power of 10 times 2 power of 0, and then 10 plus 0. All right, and then getting that. That's it. So this is our question. Only one rule we are using for this kind of questions. Let's show all answers now all together. Yes. As you see, you are just adding powers, but you should have equal numbers or letters here. So equal numbers 5, 5, A, 2, 2. If you see that, if you multiply them, you are adding powers. I hope everything is sharp, everything is clear. So let's continue. Next one, question 3 is coming now. Now, for just all divisions. So now we should remember other formula, because in question 1, all of them we showed, but now just focusing one formula, one important thing. If you have M divided by AN, or we can write like this, A power of M, A power of N, now A, M minus N, power just minus, subtract. So this is our rule. And using this rule to get these answers, what we can do, 3 point A, now let's use this color. So 7 power and divide by 7 power of 2. What I'm going to do, 7, 5 minus 2. I hope it is clear. I hope you are getting it. So 7 power of 3, done. As you see, it is easy, simple. We should just remember some rules. All right. So next one, what we have, 3 points B now. We have X for each number, X power of 8, divide by X power of 4, and writing what? X, yeah, X, 8 minus 4. And then 8 minus 4, you're getting 4 and getting your answer. I hope everything is fine. Let's continue with next one, 3.6. Now you have this number, what's that? 3 power of 12 divided by 3 power of 8. So 3 power of 12 minus 8 and 3 power of 4. Done. So this is our question for today. We answer these questions. Maybe we can show full answer now. Yes, 5 minus 2 and 7 power of 3. And then 8 minus 4, because you have division here. And then 12 minus 8. I hope it's clear. From question 3, we are learning that. And when you go to question 2, when you multiply them, as you see, you are adding powers. Okay, you are adding powers. 3 plus 2, 4 plus 6, just like that. And then when you come to first question, you have 3 of them. Okay, we are going to another question, just focusing to this formula. But in this one, we see all of them. When you multiply, you are adding powers, but we should have same numbers. All right. If you are having division, so dividing them minus powers, subtract powers. But if you have this kind of, you multiply powers. All right, so we have done for today. Grade 8 learners, see you next lesson with another daily practice. Please have your practice every day. You can go to natural science daily practice also. You can try that from different topics. Everyday practice will help you. Practice makes perfect. See you next lesson.